Hello everyone, welcome to TechUx Office YouTube channel. Today I will let you know about how to connect Google Analytics with Data Studio. For those of you who don't know about Google Data Studio, basically Google Data Studio is a dashboard and a reporting tool that's easy to use, customize and share. It allows you to transform your data into appealing and informative report for your audiences. Click on this drop down menu box, click Data Studio. Then click to create, then select data source. As you can see, there are multiple Google connectors like Google Analytics, Google Sheets. You can also connect to Google Analytics, YouTube. But today we'll discuss about Google Analytics. In account, you can see there are three websites. These three websites are connected to my Google Analytics. If you have one, you can also connect that to your one website. I will connect to now Text Office, then TechUx Office property, then all data. Now it will connect to all website data. Now connect. These are the calculated fields. These fields transform, categorize to match with your data. It will let you create new matrices and dimensions derived from your data. These fields let you extend and transform the information following from your data source, and you can see the result in the report. And you can change the type of the fields like numeric and text, boolean, geocurrency. Now click to create report. I have created a dynamic report of a website. So I will tell you how I created this dynamic report. Now I will add a scoreboard to my report. As you can see, this chart is showing page views of a website. Now I will add one more scoreboard to my report, and likewise page views. You can also check users of a website. First, you have to change metric over here, and the best you can also compare the current data to the previous data. It will help you to see the growth of a website. As you can see this bar is showing sessions, clicks, impressions you are getting on your website. So I will tell you how I created this bar. I selected a bar graph as I want to see how many impressions and clicks I'm getting on my website and on a particular date. So in dimensions, I selected date, and in metrics, I selected session, clicks and impression. As you can see, bar is showing data according to date you selected. Just like choosing bar and changing metrics and dimensions, I created a whole report. With the help of this report, I can see page views, unique pages, average time on my website, entrance on my website, exist on my website. And one of the date tool, I can check my website growth according to the particular. And one of the best thing is I can see how many backlinks I'm getting on a website from different sites, how many people reach to my website, and which of the traffic I'm getting to my website. So how many things I can check. I hope you all get my points, and thanks for watching my video. I will keep sharing such kind of informative videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.